Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you corn dog recipe in Grow a Garden new beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this beanstalk update, the developer has just added new food called corn dog, and you will need this corn dog to craft the egg poach. Okay, wait. I'm going to go to the recipe here, and sorry, not the egg pouch but pet pouch. And as you can see that we need corn dog to craft this item, and I'm going to show you how we can cook this corn dog. I'm going to go back to my garden, and if you want to cook corn dog, you need to get the cooking kit first. You can complete the common achievement. Wait, I'm going to go to the garden guide. Okay, and you can go to the achievement and you can complete this common achievement and you will get this cooking kit. And after that you can cook for corn dog. Okay, let's start cooking the corn dog. You will need corn, of course. I'm going to submit this corn. You need one corn and then one paper. Okay, I'm going to select this one. Alright, and then you need a giant pine cone. Alright, I'm going to submit 3 giant pine cone. Okay, and it's done, and I'm going to click on cook. Okay, and after that you will get the corn dog, and you will be able to use it to craft the pet pouch. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.